All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're moving on to 1G. Now, this topic, once again, I've got some bad news for you. Finding an equation to the line, if you look at the workings out, I might cover it a bit in class, but that stuff is quite stressful. Let's go back to CAS. Now, finding equation to the line, basically, the premises is such that in order to find the equation of a line, you need to know the gradient and the y-intercept. That's all there is to it. But it's just that finding the gradient, identifying the y-intercept might require quite a few steps. Nothing CAS cannot solve. It's just that you need to be creative and have like vision to do so. Well, let's say I'm going straight to example 20, skipping example 19 because it teaches you how to find like the intercept here, which is doing one hit. Now, example 20, you've been given 2 points. You've got 1 point on the y-intercept, which is 1, and the other point is, 4 and 13. So this is example 20 of 1G. Now, you must realize by now, if the y-intercept is 1, the coordinates should be 0, 1. Okay? This is a must-know in order to pass any of the topics here. Okay? CAS cannot help you with that understanding. So the y-intercept is 1. 1 means the coordinate is 0, 1. Okay? So what do we do here? No, you don't go here. You basically go to, remember the data point? Yes. Your suspicion is correct. We're kind of moving back to the bivariate data stuff or the statistic stuff. Well, since our first point is at 1 or y equals to 1, it means the x coordinate is 0, 0, 1. The second point is 4, 13. Okay, what do we do after this? What you get out of that page? Remember that purple stuff? Yes, we're here to plot those points again. Press tab, X, right? Press tab again. We labeled Y, so you got 2 dots going. Just like that. Menu, analyze, regression. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, show linear. They even give it to you MX plus C format. Boom, the first one here. There you go. Y equals to 3x plus 1. That is I believe that is the answer for example 20. All right? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. How about example 21? How about example 21? So the 2 point they've given you is 3, 11, and 6, 7. You don't even need to do anything out of this. Go back to the original page. All right, you simply go 3, 11, you go 6, 7, boom. And you go back 1 page. There you go. The answer's already given to you. The answer is already given to you. Menu, analyze, window, zoom, data, boom. They've already given it to you. Now, this is when I say, like when I say using fraction or something, this might be a problem here because they give you a decimal value. If they want you to have it as an exact value, well, nothing we cannot do. And so doc, setting, document status. So for this particular one here, we go exact. Okay, let's just use exact for this page here. Boom. Let's go back again. I don't know why this makes the case. How about this? Let's redraw this entire thing again with exact value. Now, sometimes you are required to do an exact value. Okay, so that didn't work for some reason, which is embarrassing. So let's do this again. So how about this time we do auto? Yeah, auto. Now, let's go back to this thing again. So we call this X. Look, as you can see, this stuff isn't actually that difficult, provided using the calculator properly. So it's 3, 11, you've got 6, 7. Now, how do we know which point comes first, which point comes second? The leftmost point is the first point. The point on the right is the second point. Okay, so you go out here. You go here again, menu. So you basically choose X, choose Y, menu, analyze, regression, show that. Boom. Okay, fine. It still does this for you, negative 1.333, but you must understand negative 1.33 is negative 1 1/3, which means negative 4/3. So look, to do this topic here, you do need to know some of the basic fractions. So these are the exact fractions. Like you do need to know things like a quarter, half, 3/4. 1/3, 1/5 in decimal, and be able to change them, like switch between them automatically. So basically, and this gives us a bit of a point for your cheat sheet. Maybe on the cheat sheet, instead of the formulas, who cares? Maybe you should have a table of decimal value exchange that automatically allows you to switch between two, all right? Something like this.